So I've got my massage gun here. What I want to do in this review is show you everything that comes with and then actually show you how this works too. Now it does come with a charging cord here. Now this does have a 3 hours runtime and it takes right around 2.5 hours to charge. Also comes with a couple of little rubber grommets and those are actually going to go right up here if you ever need to replace them. And what they do, they just hold the heads onto the machine itself. Comes in a really nice case. It's kind of a, I'd say, soft case, semi-soft. We've got 2 zippers. They're very nice too. They got little easy grips right here, tabs on the end. So you got 2 zippers and we've got a handle right here. This is all silicone, so it's really nice and easy to hold. On the inside, we do have mesh right here to hold any other small things you might have. And it comes with 5 different heads. So it really just depends on the size of the muscle that you're going to be using. So for instance, this right here would be along your spine on each side. This right here, you could hit maybe a wider area, such as I have a problem with my shoulders, so I can go ahead and put up through here. But I'll go ahead and show that here in just a moment. And then one thing I like is this head. This is a heating and cooling head. So all it does, everything's gonna just snap on here. You got to put it on there a certain way, so that way it's going to go ahead and hold that in there. This heating and cooling head is actually pretty wide. The cold on this is anywhere from 46 degrees to 53, and then the hot is 102 all the way up to 113. Real easy to hold. It's silicone right here. And so it's nice and soft, yet it's got these little indentations in here, so that way it's not gonna be slippery. And then of course we've got our controls right here. We've got only 3 buttons, so it's really easy to use. We're gonna go ahead and long press that. It's gonna come on. There's actually 5 different levels. And of course, we've got 3 different temperatures for the hot and the cold. So right now it's on 0. As you press it, that right there is nice and strong. It really just depends on how much pressure you need, but it definitely has all the pressure that you need to go ahead and really get deep into those muscles. I like that there's lights around here, depending on the temperature you're at, to let you know which stage you're at. So when I hit the heating right here, when I first touch it, I've got a light yellow. It's kind of like a lime. When I hit it again, the temperature changes to more of like an orange, and then it goes to red. That is your max heat. And the same thing with the cooling. Low, medium, and high. I love that I can pinpoint those trouble areas that I have, especially my pec where it ties into my deltoids. My front deltoids, I have a lot of issues. And of course, you can put this on any part of the body that you need to. This is only on 1. Of course, we got the 5 speeds and then the 3 temperatures. I love that I have plenty of heads to use. It gives me a lot of variety, and the machine itself is easy to use too with just 3 buttons. Hope you found this helpful.